Hi everyone, Happy New Year. This is our tomato plant. Just within months it grew so tall. Yes, it's indoors. Just wanted to show it to all of you because I'm making a salad recipe today. I sometimes use the leaves to infuse in the oil for the flavor. It's really good. So today we are making mix masala salad, healthy salad for the new year. Happy New Year 2021. Today is Jan 1st and our first video for the first year. So you need one chopped red onion, one large avocado chopped, one tomato chopped, one cucumber chopped, and 1 teaspoon roasted paprika, 1 teaspoon black salt. Black salt is healthy. 1 teaspoon fresh lemon juice. And mix this all really well. And keep it in the fridge, chill it before you serve it. Nice and fresh. Enjoy it with any of your dish, any main course. Thank you so much for watching. Well, next week onwards, we will be changing our timing to Sundays 12 p.m. You can now buy the book and help women get a job. Thank you so much for subscribing.